Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and this video will save your lives in using the iPhone. This tutorial will show you the way how to activate the auto lock for your iPhone so that you can save your battery life longer. So the thing that you have to do is just go open your settings application, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you find the display and brightness. So you just need to go click it. And after that, you just need to scrolling down again until you found the auto lock. And then you just need to go click it. So if your phone is still in a never mode, you just need to choose the durations that you want to apply into your phone. So if you want to use a 1 minute, so your phone will, whenever your phone is not being operated, running, or touched by someone, in 1 minute your phone will be automatically locked. So that's so simple, right? That's the way how to activate the auto lock on your phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.